Pedal your way to fitness. The benefits of using an exercise bike. The exercise bike, also known as the stationary bike, is a popular and effective way to exercise at home or at the gym. It is one of the easiest and most popular pieces of equipment for cardiovascular exercise, and is characterized by its ease and comfort of use. In this video, we will take a look at the benefits of using an exercise bike and how to use it properly. Benefits of using an exercise bike. 1. Low-impact exercise. Cycling on an exercise bike is a low-impact exercise, which means that it puts less stress on your joints and bones compared to high-impact exercises like running. This makes it an excellent option for people who have joint problems or are recovering from an injury. 2. Cardiovascular health. Using an exercise bike is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health. Cycling regularly can help to strengthen your heart and lungs, lower your blood pressure, and stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. 3. Weight loss. Cycling on an exercise bike can help you to burn calories and lose weight. Depending on the intensity of your workout, you can burn anywhere from 200 to 600 calories in 30 minutes. 4. Convenience. The exercise bike is a convenient piece of equipment that you can use at any time, regardless of the weather or time of day. You can exercise while watching TV or listening to music, and you don't have to worry about traffic or other hazards associated with outdoor exercise. 5. Low cost. Exercise bikes are relatively inexpensive compared to other types of exercise equipment, and they require very little maintenance. In conclusion, the exercise bike is a convenient and effective way to improve your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and lose weight. So why not pedal your way to fitness today?